As reported by the Reuters news agency, Baykar delivered 20 Bayraktar TB2 SİHA to the UAE in September. According to the news based on 2 Turkish sources, more SİHA may be sold to the UAE after the diplomatic softening between the two countries. Bayraktar TB2s, which were exported to Libya 2 years ago, were used to repel the attack of UAE-backed forces. The civil war in Libya was one of the few scenes in which the two countries fought a decade-long battle for influence in the Middle East until a compromise was reached last year. Military sources say the United Arab Emirates and its ally Saudi Arabia hope to strengthen their rapprochement with Turkey to counter a growing security threat from Iran and its proxies. Both Gulf Arab oil countries have faced drone attacks on cities and oil facilities, which they blamed on pro-Iranian Houthi fighters in Yemen. A source aware of the talks stated that Abu Dhabi and Riyadh are continuing negotiations for the acquisitions. During negotiations with the UAE, they decided to quickly hand over 20 armed drones, the source said. He added that the said SİHA were transferred earlier this month. A senior Turkish official confirmed that Turkey has delivered some drones to the United Arab Emirates, and the UAE wants more, according to Reuters. He said Saudi Arabia also wants to buy armed drones and set up a factory to manufacture them. The source said Iranian UAVs Shahed and Muhajir have some of the features, if not the real-time processing and accuracy, of the TB2s. In this context, the source said, the Saudis and the UAE want to do this. If TB2 SİHA are exported, the effectiveness of Iranian UAVs can be eliminated. Said.